In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a video call on Google Meet with just 3 easy steps. So whether you're new to Google Meet or just need a quick refresher, sit back and follow along as we simplify the process for you step by step. First, let's talk about creating a meeting. To begin, navigate to Google Meet in your web browser or open the Google Meet app on your device. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice a button that says New Meeting. By clicking this button, you are presented with 3 options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. If you're planning a meeting for some point in the future, choose create a meeting for later, which generates a link you can use at any time. Alternatively, if you need to meet right away, select start an instant meeting. And if you're organizing a meeting that needs to be on everyone's calendar, scheduling Google Calendar is the way to go. This option will seamlessly take you to your Google Calendar, allowing you to pick the date and time and automatically send out invites to participants. Once you've created your meeting, it's time to share the magic link. After setting things up, Google Meet will generate a unique meeting link specifically for your call. To share this link, look for the option that says Copy Meeting Invite. Clicking this will instantly copy the invite to your clipboard. You can then share it via email, a chat message, or any other preferred messaging app. This step ensures that everyone who needs to join has the right information to do so. Now the final step, joining the meeting. When it's time to get together, participants can simply click on the meeting link you shared. Alternatively, they can head to the Google Meet site and enter the meeting code. Before joining, it's super important to make sure you allow access to your camera and microphone so everything goes smoothly once you're in. You'll notice an option to preview your video and audio settings. After checking those, it's as simple as clicking Join Now. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up a video call on Google Meet. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create, share, and join meetings with ease, ensuring you're always connected right when you need to be. Happy meeting, everyone!